Good afternoon. I am Bernstein. I am the Mayor of Allendale. This is my second video address to you regarding the ongoing COVID-19 crisis. I would like to give you important updates on our situation in Allendale, what we are doing on a borough level to help all of our residents, as well as share important news from the county and the state. Our top priority is the health and well-being of our residents. In that regard, I want to thank our Office of Emergency Management team led by Scott Zeber, consisting of all of our first responders, the Board of Health led by Nadine Benoit, members of our administration, all borough employees for working together as one team to support the borough's efforts. This borough would be nothing without the women and men working in all of our borough offices and facilities, and the health and well-being of our borough staff is of utmost importance. As such, Borough Hall remains closed to public traffic. But rest assured, the borough is still operating and all of the departments are still functioning as appropriate and as necessary. A list of changes to the way we are doing business has been posted outside of Borough Hall, was emailed to residents, and has been posted on the borough's official social media outlets. Some of the important items to note: tax payments can be made online at allendalenj.gov, via mail, or placed in the secure drop box located at the back entrance at Borough Hall. Many permits and licensing forms and applications can be found online under the Forms, Licensing, and Permits tab on the borough's website. Additionally, payment can be mailed or placed in the drop box at the outside of Borough Hall. The building department and tax assessor staff are available to assist via phone or email. Arrangements must be made in advance to drop off applications, plans, or payments. Home inspections by the tax assessor are suspended until further notice. The building department is only inspecting exteriors and unoccupied homes and buildings at this time. Inside inspections of occupied homes and buildings are suspended. The library is closed to the public until further notice, and all library programs are suspended. Organized rec sports and activities are suspended at this time, but parks remain open for passive recreation such as hiking and walking. Public fields, playgrounds, tennis and basketball courts are closed. All New Jersey municipal court matters have been suspended until further notice. Those scheduled to appear before a municipal court will be notified by mail of a new court date. The recycling center is scheduled to be open this Saturday. With respect to the compost facility, we are aware of several inquiries regarding requesting that we open it. We will continue to try to balance the desire of the residents to use the compost area with the health and safety of our residents and borough employees. A decision will be made shortly, and an announcement will be made next week. All this information can be found on the borough's website and will be updated if and when changes are made. To date, we have been advised of 6 confirmed cases of COVID-19 in Allendale. If you have been exposed to the COVID-19 virus or you are beginning to show symptoms, your first call should always be to your primary healthcare provider. Follow their directions and practice self-quarantining if appropriate. There is a fully operational COVID-19 testing site at Bergen Community College, which has been running for a week, providing tests to symptomatic people only. If you have tested positive for COVID-19, it's your personal responsibility to notify anyone that has had direct contact with you within the last 14 days. When notified, they should monitor themselves for any symptoms and reach out to their healthcare provider or call the COVID-19 hotline with any questions. The number for the COVID-19 hotline is 1-800-962-1253. If you're living with a confirmed positive COVID-19 case in your household, I encourage you to be cognizant of the guidelines from the CDC. The 2 applicable websites for the CDC is cdc.gov and covid19.nj.gov. Links to those websites are listed on the borough's website. As we continue to see the number of confirmed COVID-19 cases in Bergen County rise, our hospitals are facing, among other shortages, a shortage of blood. The facilities that typically host blood drives, such as schools, workplaces, and colleges, have been closed for social distancing purposes. This has resulted in an unprecedented number of blood drive cancellations, threatening supplies of life-saving blood for those who need it. The American Red Cross makes it easy to find a local blood drive and make an appointment online. If you're willing and able to donate, please consider doing so. The information is available on their website at www.redcrossblood.org. I understand at this time that many families may be worried about losing jobs, maintaining health coverage, and keeping up with paying bills. We will continue to share any information regarding available relief programs in these areas with you. We also put a link on our website to the state's website, nj.gov, where you will be able to find information on everything from assistance programs for individuals and businesses to other helpful resources. Our utility companies, PSE&G, Rockland Electric, and Suez, have all announced changes to assist customers during this time. They have all temporarily suspended shutoffs of their services to residential customers for non-payment. Please visit their websites for updated information, and we have put links to them on our website. Also, additionally, while many businesses are closed, please remember that many of our local restaurants are still open and waiting to serve you. They need your support to make it through this difficult time. Please consider taking out lunch or dinner from one of our local places. A list of restaurants which are still open can be found on the borough's social media outlets. Lastly, in this difficult time, it is beyond important to continue to practice social distancing and staying home. The sooner we all do this, the sooner this will all be behind us. Everyone must do their part. Again, as I stated last week, we are a great borough. In difficult times, we've always found a way to work together to get through the adversity. This is one of those times, and I have the utmost confidence in all of us and the continuing strength of Allendale. So in closing, we're here for you with any questions or concerns. Your safety and well-being is our paramount concern. Please do your part. Stay home, stay safe, and stay healthy. Thank you.